Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to clear cache and cookies in Mozilla Firefox. First, open Mozilla Firefox. Once Firefox is open, click on three dots menu in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, click on History. Then here look for the link that says Clear Recent History and click on it. This will open a pop-up window titled Clear Recent History. In the Clear Recent History window, you'll find a list of options to choose from. Make sure the checkboxes next to cache and cookies are selected. These are the items we want to clear. Next, you can choose the time range for which you want to clear the cache and cookies. If you want to clear everything, select everything from the drop-down list. This will remove all cache and cookies from the beginning of your Firefox usage. Finally, when you're ready, click on the Clear Now button to start the process. And that's it. You've successfully cleared the cache and cookies in Mozilla Firefox. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.